Right, today we have the Nike VaporMax 2021 Flyknits, and the official colorway is white, black. Now it comes in this Move to Zero box and a brown box with no tissue paper. Okay, the sneakers look nice. I do like how they look. You got this piece of paper inside. Well, you can pause it if you want to read it, but there you go. Let's close the lid. Here are the shoes themselves. You got the knit material all over, the rubber on the back. Obviously, you're not going to wear it in the rain. You got the black tab with a nice swoosh on the back. You got the VaporMax Air unit at the bottom. Let's take this out. I guess it's supposed to feel like socks on your feet, like another layer inside. Now the lacing system it's a little bit strange. It seems like an afterthought. I mean, I know that this is meant to be, the Nike claims is made from at least 40% recycled material. And that's the look they're going for here. That it's made out of recycled material, and you can tell by the lacing system. It just seems like something they took from another sneaker or from another material and have just sewn it on. Now on feet, they are comfortable. Okay, don't get me wrong. Especially the material. The way it feels on your feet, it's super comfortable. The collar feels very nice on the ankle. It just feels like a sock, basically wearing a sock. But the only problem I'm having with these sneakers is the air unit. I don't like the way it feels when you're walking. I just don't like it. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's just because I've been wearing the 90s and the 95s and 97s for a very long time, and this just feels different. It feels like you're walking on bubble wrap, basically. That's what it feels like to me. Overall, would I pay retail again on these? No, I wouldn't. I do see them going on sale very soon. They have not sold out on the website. All the colorways are still available, and I have seen some other ones that I'm really interested in, especially the black on black one, the gray and the green one. But yeah, I'm gonna try to wear these for a while, and maybe my decision will change. Maybe I will like these, I'm not sure. But for now, I'm gonna give these sneakers a 5 out of 10. Now the 5 is because, like I said, I just love the way it looks. I love the colorway. I love the materials they use, how comfortable it is on your feet. But the only thing that lets these sneakers down for me personally is the air unit. But then again, the Air Max 720 818, they have a huge air bubble as well on the back. But they feel a lot more comfortable in this. For me personally, I just want to point that out because I know a lot of people are gonna disagree with me, but that's just a personal preference. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give these a try, and let's see if I change my mind. And if I do, I will make another review on these in a few months' time, hopefully, and I will update you guys on it. But yeah, for now, that's it. That's my take on the VaporMax 2021. And I will see you guys on the next one.